With exciting new next-generation design capabilities now available, there's a higher demand to manufacture these types of designs. Directly from the Solid Edge application menu, we have access to several 3D printing capabilities. For those who own a 3D printer, they now have the capability to directly print to them. Notice how easy it is to move and position the part to best fit your needs. Here we can use the settle option to make sure the part is laying completely on the floor surface. Other options are available, such as print quality, support locations, material selection, as well as other advanced options to give you the flexibility needed to get the job done right the first time. And this latest release also includes options to export the file as STL and now 3MF. For those who don't have a local printer but still want access to the latest 3D print technologies, Solid Edge offers the options to go online to the 3YourMind website, a cloud-based service. From here you can upload your 3D designs as well as review the printability of the model. More options include the selection from a number of different materials. And once you're ready to place the order, several suppliers are available for you to choose from. It's as easy as ordering something from any online store where you pay with credit card and your part gets shipped directly to your door. With Solid Edge ST10, 3D printing has never been easier.